Hello there, how you doing? I hope you're well. I've been sent a head torch by LETOUR to review. Really nice simple design, and here's what you get in the box. Head torch, that's right, it's a 2-pack. Quite nice, right? There's another elastic strap, not sure what that's for, and then there's a couple of USB charging cables. Now, the only downfall to this in my book is these are micro USB and not USB-C. If they were USB-C, I'd be absolutely over the moon. However, having said that, they are really simple and easy to use. So you've got your on-off button there, and then you've got your USB charging port at the end. And it's just such a simple control. So all you do is you press it and it comes on. Then you press it and the cob light comes on. Press it again and it goes off. Really nice and bright, and yeah, quite like these. There's a magnet at the end too. It's not the strongest magnet, but you can remove this from the brace, so you can actually position this somewhere else if you want to, for other work. Quite a nice little design. Used this all last night while I was camping. Sure, the owl's in that tree somewhere. Cracking. I've used it as a headlight on my bike when I've been cycling. Really like these. Good little bit of kit. Thank you, LETOUR, for sending me these out. Cheers. So what do you think of this idea? I've attached a head torch to one of my vacuum cleaners, and what it does is it allows me to see into all those little dark recesses and corners when I'm vacuuming. I used to have vacuum cleaners that had a light on the front, but for a vacuum cleaner that doesn't, I think this is a cracking idea, and these particular head torches work really well for that. I'll put a link to these in the pinned comment and description so you can check them out if you want. Cracking little bit of kit, and the fact that you get 2 for your money, really good. So thanks for watching, and you know what to do if you like what I'm doing on this channel in terms of liking and subscribing and sharing and all that kind of stuff. You take care of yourself. Cheerio.